This tutorial is about adjusting the space between the coil and the disc. This is very important. Here's the old one, and that's the reason why I put on a new one. Now, use a business card that will help you adjust the spacing. Now, the business card should fit. However, you need to feel that the business card touches both sides, so that is not too tight and it's not loose. And what I'm doing here is making sure that both sides are exactly the same, and that is very important because if one side has more space or less space than the other one, your lawnmower will not start on the first try. So that's very important. What you can see right here, I'm doing the proper adjustments until I feel that that business card feels the same on either side. As you can see, I'm testing it there. You need to be very patient when you do this to make sure that that space is correct, calibrated on both sides. Now I'm done, and I can also see that the space is exactly the same, but I also use the business card to make sure. Now I'm done, so I'm going to tighten the bolts. Okay, so now I am done, and if I did a good job, this lawn mower should start on the first try. Let's see how it works. Bingo! Perfect!